Check out this stream of water. Does it look like it's standing still? Well, this isn't magic or some kind of special effect. It's actually a natural phenomenon called laminar flow. When a liquid flows at a low speed, it moves in distinct layers that don't mix. So when you see water that looks perfectly still like this, it means each water molecule is following the exact same path as the molecule in front of it. Basically, if the water is pure enough to avoid any disturbance and it's constantly flowing through a smooth opening, you get this stream that appears